Zodwa Wabantu was arrested for being out after curfew. Zodwa Wabantu on being arrested. It was not about the law, they just wanted fame. Reality TV star Zodwa Wabantu appeared at the Randburg magistrate's court on Thursday after she was charged for breaking curfew laws and allegedly shouting profanity at the police. Police spokesperson Colonel Xolani Gwala confirmed her arrest to breaking news. Zodwa was arrested for contravention of the Disaster Management Act Reg 33(2) for not confining at home after curfew by the SAPs together with 3 other suspects. Crime and injuria charges will also be added to the docket. She appeared in the Randburg court on August the 12th, said Gwala. Crime and injuria occurs when a person willfully injures someone's dignity through the use of obscene or racially offensive language or gestures. Speaking to Breaking News earlier this week, after a viral video of Zodwa in discussion with police officers at the Douglasdale police station sparked online conversation, the entertainer gave her version of events. "I was by William Nicole Drive, 8 minutes from my house. The police stopped us. They opened the driver's door and just took out the car keys, then asked why we were driving at night. We said we have a permit, and he was already aggressive. He didn't think we'd give him what's right by law, which is the permit. By then the other one was like, hey Zodwa, be safe. We just saw an accident, which we also saw because we passed 2 accidents. The other one was busy talking to my driver. Then there was chaos. And the police officer talking to me couldn't calm the other police officer because we were close and had a permit. So they took us to the police station. They called to say that we were coming." Zodwa claimed the cops were excited to see her and made comments about how they were going to trend. Zodwa said she then had a heated exchange with the policewomen after she insulted her. The star said she was disgruntled, that she was treated differently and had her rights violated because she was famous. "It was not about the law, they just wanted fame and to expose me, or whatever." Police could not comment on the allegation of unfair treatment made by Zodwa. "Unfortunately, that is all I can answer for now, as the matter is in court," said Gwala. Breaking News reached out to NPA National Prosecuting Authority spokesperson Findim John and Wayne for comment on Zodwa's court appearance, but had not received a response at the time of publishing this article.